work the gathered bind off, you're going to knit 3 stitches off of your left hand needle to begin the bind off process. Then we're going to grab this first stitch and pull it over the 2 that are on the needle. We're going to continue to do that. We're going to knit 1 off, grab that very last one and pull it over both of the 2 and keep going. And this gives us a very gathered bind off. It kind of squishes them all together, so this is not good if you want elasticity or a nice edge. This is a definite decision to pick this bind off over any others. It's going to pull everything close together, as you can see, and tighten it all up. So that is the gathered bind off super fast stitch refresher. I'm Deja with the knit and crochet ever after.com, and thank you for watching.